And if you want to arrange A and B as a two rows of matrix and use a semicolon, if I am used like any semicolon condition, so this is a here I'm using that semicolon condition. If you are putting like any semicolon, then the overview of the creating and connecting of the matrix. So A is equal to 1 by 2, like sorry. So this is a 1 comma 0 2 1 comma 0 3 1 comma 0 4 1 comma 0, like this one. Why? Because A and B is 1 1 and the B is a 0 0. It is there. So if I want to D is equal to A comma B, this is a it will come. So is a like a contact in the two matrices must have the compatibility of the size. Again, that is the shape. Like whenever you want to convert the shape in other words of them, when you connecting of the matrices horizontally or maybe rows and columns, or when you constraints of the vertically, then you have the same number or maybe same comma. So for example, here is I'm taking the horizontally constraint two matrices that both of have the two rows. So again here I'm taking the condition A is equal to 1s 2 comma 3, and the rest of the things is the B is equal to 0s 2 comma 2, the 2 by 2 matrix is there, and C is equal to A comma B. So here my condition is a 1s, that is a 2 by 3. So is a 2 by 3 is a matrix is there. Here is I'm condition taking the ones. So that's the reason all of is a 1 matrix. And my next condition is a B is equal to 0. That is a 2 by 2. So there is a zeros. Why? Because I'm taking the zeros of these matrices. So C is equal to 2 C A comma B. That is a 2 by 5. There is a 1 1 1 1 1 1, and rest of the things is 0. So this is a like vertically or maybe horizontally we can take the 2 by 2 matrices. In alternate, then we can using that horizontal function. So this is we can get it from here. So this is here. If you want to generating any numeric of the sequence, for example, if A is equal to 1 is 10, then that is a colon operator. Then here I'm using that. So 1 cross 10, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like then up to 10. So here is a 1 cross, like here you can use the colon operator, then create up the sequence of the number within any range of incremented by 1. So here is a minus 2 semicolon, then 5 east, and 2 semicolon, then 5. Then this is the range we are coming here. So again, if you want to change any of the sequence of the increment or maybe specific increment in between the starting or maybe ending range values separated by two columns, then we can use this syntax. So here I'm taking the 0 is 2 is to 10. So this is we're using. If you want to decrement of the or negative number, then this is a syntax we can use here, 6 is to 1 comma 10. So also we can specific range also we can mention on that the range function also we can use here. And if you want to expanding that is a matrix, if for example A is equal to 10 10 space 2 20 30, like again semicolon comma, then 60 78. If you want to increase that maybe position of that numbers, maybe 2 by 3 or maybe 3 by 4 position, so we can use, yeah, I'm taking the like a 3 by 4, so 3 rows, 4 columns. Here is M is a 10 20 30, then rest of the things is 0 0, and this is a 3 by 4 I'm taking, again 60 70 80 is a 0, and 0 0 0 1. So this is why, because A is equal to 3 by 4 and rest of the things is 1. So that's the reason I took here. Like if you want to detail, like if you want to the next operation, we can get it from that here. If you want to like all zeros and same condition, we can use here. Or if you want like empty arrays, if you want to find out that empty arrays like in between of 1 2 3 comma 4, like if find a less than 0, So this is a like